If it's been more than 2 years, or if you're just unsure about the terms of your service provider agreements, you absolutely need to have ERISA counsel review those agreements for you. Contact experienced and responsive ERISA counsel immediately. Service provider agreements generally describe the relationship between a service provider and the plan sponsor. They define that relationship. In a recent matter, we were helping a plan sponsor as they considered whether or not to continue with their existing third-party administrator. And in reviewing their service agreement, what we realized and were able to share with the plan sponsor is that while the third-party administrator was claiming to act as a fiduciary on behalf of the plan sponsor, there were actually items in the service provider agreement that exculpated them from any responsibility as a fiduciary. Therefore, it's very important when you're considering a service provider change or just looking at existing agreements to have ERISA counsel look over those agreements for you. Also, in this same case, they were looking to bid out this service provider to a number of different third-party administrators, and there were a vast range of costs and services within each of those service provider agreements. So we were able to actually work on behalf of the plan sponsor to find not only the best third-party administrator for the plan sponsor, but the one that offered the best combination of features and price. So there are a number of things experienced ERISA counsel can do for you. They can identify third-party administrators or other service providers, not just third-party administrators, who are claiming to do X, but then indemnifying themselves with Y. We can identify those types of issues. We can help you find the best cost-value ratio with your service providers. And we can also just help you find the most holistic solution from service providers and ensure that you understand a service provider agreement before you as the plan sponsor commit to that service provider. Our team of attorneys here at Hall Benefits Law is experienced. We're responsive. We have a minimum of 8 to 10 years of experience on our side, and we've done lots of work reviewing service provider agreements. If we can be of help to you, or if you're considering having your service provider agreements reviewed, or you've just never done it before, please contact us directly at 678-439-6236.